Every day, millions of people work hard for money, but somehow they keep ending up with less. They dream about a better future, a better house, a better life. But dreams alone don't build wealth. Something is silently holding people back. The problem isn't always low income. The real danger is a hidden financial trap. Buy now, pay later sounds convenient, but convenience often comes with a price. As income rises, spending often rises too, and that's where the trap gets deeper. More subscriptions, more upgrades, more unnecessary spending. Little expenses don't seem dangerous, but they quietly steal your future. Slowly, debt replaces savings, and stress replaces peace of mind.
Most people don't notice the danger until it's already affecting their lives.
Then one unexpected expense arrives, and everything suddenly changes. This is the moment most people wake up, when the trap becomes impossible to ignore. Successful people make a different choice. They stop reacting and start planning. They buy assets instead of liabilities. And they let money work for them. They invest before spending. That's a habit that changes everything.
They save consistently. Even small amounts create momentum.
Every dollar gets a job, and every decision has a purpose. This is how wealth is built, one smart decision at a time. Financial freedom isn't luck, it's the result of discipline.
The hidden financial trap isn't lack of money, it's spending without a plan. Escape it and your future changes forever.